So this is my lemongrass. It's May 18 right now, 2025. So this lemongrass come from the basement. So I planted this one outside, and now this is look like I will water the plants. They're so beautiful. We have also in here. Forgot me. I'm gonna plant this one. This is the other lemongrass that I have. I'm hoping they will be survive during the cold weather, even though it's spring in here, but still it's cold. We're gonna get more. So in front of the house I also planted this one is garlic. Look at them, they are growing. Now we're gonna get more water. We will water our plants. This one is eggplant. So this is our tomato. They're growing. I'm hoping they will survive. I think. I have a lot of plants in here that I'm hoping they will survive. So this is my cucumber. This one is alugbati. Some of it is alugbati. This plant is dying though, but I'm hoping they will survive. So this is our strawberry plants. It's in our nasa sa shade. So I'm also hoping that they will survive. What's going on this one? I'm gonna try this one too. When this one will be stand up. So this is our asparagus, baby asparagus. To the other side, because we still have a lot of asparagus in here. This one is ginger that I planted. So here is our asparagus. I'm hoping they will survive. This little bit, this is the asparagus that I planted. When you see this, they are growing. But this one, I'm planning to plant this one also, because I have a lot of seedlings from asparagus. This one, so that every spring I have free asparagus from my backyard. So this is my asparagus. Look at that. This one too. So I have a lot of asparagus. Okay, now we're going back. So this one I will make them as a mulch on my garden. So I have a lot of potato. This is my potato. Look at that. I have a lot of potato. I'm hoping that I will make a lot of from them. So the weather right now is really cold, and I'm hoping that my plants will survive during the colder time. So I'm gonna water the plants right now. Because we are not done yet, so we're going to water our plants. So look at this one. This is my uh, lemongrass that came from the basement. That's why it's on the top of it. It's yellow, but underneath is green. So this is the seeds that I have. So yep, I have a few okra here, but they are not sprouting though. But I'm hoping that they will sprout. Yeah, a couple of them has sprouted, but some of it isn't. Yep. So I'm hoping they will. Thank you for your watching.